South Carolina, south central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina until 6 a.m. At 5:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near the Orpheum Colony, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Litchfield Beach around 5:35 a.m. Myrtle's Inlet, Garden City, and Burgess around 5:45 a.m. Surfside Beach around 5:50 a.m. Sokosti around 5:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Waccamaw Community Hospital. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.